Pharmaceutical Science, Assam Downtown University, feel honored to welcome you all to this auspicious occasion of World Pharmacist Day celebration 2021. COVID-19 has changed the world tremendously, and the entire world is still fighting with the situation. Every frontline worker, including the pharmacist, had a great contribution in it. So, the theme of this year is Pharmacy, always trusted for your health. Now, with the permission of all our dignitaries, I would like to initiate the session with a lamp lighting ceremony.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु।
Now, let's get delighted with the anthem of our university.
উজ্জ্বলাব হৃদয়ৰ পাৰ পোহৰাব অসম আমাৰ জ্ঞান বিজ্ঞান প্ৰযুক্তিবিদ্যা লক্ষ্যৰে উত্তৰ পূৰ্বৰ জাতি ধৰ্ম বিভেদহীনতাৰ শিক্ষা সংস্কৃতিৰ পূৰ্ণতা স্বাস্থ্য সেৱা আৰু গৱেষণা সৃষ্টি আৰু প্ৰতিভাৰ যাত্ৰা উচ্চ সেউজীয়াৰ বকুল জ্ঞানৰ বন্তি জ্বলে অযুত উজ্বলি উঠক তাৰে জ্যোতি গতিশীল হৈ ৰওক বিশ্বব্যাপী निर्मरुद्राण है सत्यता की निर्मल वस्त्र की हरियाली में हम अपनी महिमा से अनुकूलता के साथ रंगते हैं. It's an oasis in reality, in the serene canvas of greenery. We auspiciously color our glory. Downtown University, Downtown University, Downtown University.
This anthem wholly defines our university. Now I request our Honorable Professor Dr. Biplab Kumar Dey, Dean, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, to welcome the gathering.
A very good morning to one and all. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to welcome you all to the virtual celebration of World Pharmacist Day. Today we have gathered virtually to celebrate the World Pharmacist Day and to appreciate the selfless services of all the pharmacists during this pandemic. Here I would like to thank our faculties and students who could manage to arrange the program and made the celebration a special one with their sincere efforts. Such celebration always encourages the budding pharmacists to keep their spirit high to serve for the society with honesty. Pharmacists are said to be the health expert. They are working 24/7 to make the world a better and healthy place by developing and discovering medicines. Pharmacists help people to heal. World Pharmacist Day is celebrated to encourage the entire pharmacist community. Different programs are organized worldwide to propagate the role of a pharmacist in the society. I would like to congratulate each and every pharmacist for organizing such an aesthetic event successfully in this crucial situation. I am sure such activities are going to motivate all the pharmacists to continue their service with dignity. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful words. Now I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. N.C. Talukdar, sir, to share his thought on its event.
Good morning. I'm extremely happy to join all the pharmacists across the world on this auspicious World Pharmacist Day. All the pharmacists of the world, including India, Northeast India, and our own university pharmaceutical science faculty members are celebrating this day, and I convey my heartfelt greetings and congratulations to each one of you. This World Pharmacist Day celebration, as I have been given to know, started about 12 years ago on the day of September 25th of 1912, when International Pharmaceutical Federation and the Global Federation of National Association of Pharmacists and Pharmaceutical Scientists, these two great organizations, was initiated. And this theme of celebration of World Pharmacist Day is very interesting. Pharmacy, always trusted for your health. It's a very optimistic, beautiful phrasing of the World Pharmacy Day celebration event. This pharmacist all over the world has a great role to play in health care system. In fact, it has been serving cause of health in the different parts of the world and across different communities, irrespective of caste, creed, age. They provide or they play a very important role in healthcare system or healthcare service. I congratulate each one of you for the service you provide to the humanity at large, and it is also pertinent to say that the pharmacist or pharmaceutical scientist plays an extremely important role in discovery of new drugs. Today the world needs drug at affordable price, and therefore there has to be more concerted effort for discovery of drug which are less expensive and can be afforded by the poor sections of the community. And I'm sure the pharmacists on this day, while expressing their solidarity, unity and commitment to devote more and dedicatedly in the service, they will also remember that they have to have more intense research activity for developing drugs or therapy that are affordable by the common people or poor people of the world. With these words, I convey my best wishes for the pharmacists of the world, and once more congratulate them for the dedicated service they provide to society. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for an inspirational speech. Now I request Dr. Bandana Datta ma'am, Dean of Studies, to share her valuable words.
25th of September is celebrated as World Pharmacist Day by the whole world. This year also, our faculty of pharmacists of Assam Downtown University is also planning to celebrate in a virtual way. I welcome for their effort. As a Dean of Studies of Assam Downtown University, I convey my best wishes to the faculty members of Assam Downtown University for their good effort. During this COVID-19 pandemic situation, the pharmacists of the world, they have contributed very well, and I really thank them for their effort and in near future also, I think they will help the society for the betterment of the humanity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful words on this event. Now, let's proceed to our cultural program. Our first program is by Anubhav Bora of B.Pharm 7th semester.
Hello everyone, myself Anubhav Bora. I'm from B.Pharm 7th semester. I wish you a very happy Pharmacist Day to each and everyone present over here. And I'm going to sing a song. I hope you guys liked it. लखा तो जुदा ये तेरी काफिर तू ही मंजिल तेरा मुसाफिर रब नु बना बैठा तेरे करके मैं हो गया काफिर साथ छोड़ूंगा ना तेरे पीछे आऊंगा छीन लूंगा या खुदा से मांग लाऊंगा तेरे नाल तकदीरा लिखवाऊंगा मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा तेरे लिए मैं जहां से टकराऊंगा कितने वादे यार मेरा निभाऊंगा तेरे नाल तकदीर लिखवाऊंगा मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा
Thank you, Anubhav, for the soulful performance. Our next program is a beautiful dance by Shrutima Fukan.
Hello everyone, my name is Shrutima Fukan. I wish you a happy Pharmacy Day. Today, on the occasion of World Pharmacy Day, I am going to perform a dance.
আগলি বতাহে খৰালে চুপহি কাজলি জপা দুচকুৰ পতাত ধেমালি চলেৰে কৰেনো টিপচি নিচুকনি জুৰি যায় শয়নত দুটি নয়ন মধুৰ দুগালতে আউজিলে হিৰদ ভাগেনে চিকুনে সোণটো পৰি তোমাৰ মায়াময় উশাহৰ মেয়ানে যাযাবৰী মোৰেনো হেঁপাহত বুটলি সামৰি তোমাৰেনো কাষৰলে উভতাই আনিলা জীয়াই তুলিলা মোক জীয়াই তুলিলা মোক জীয়াই তুলিলা এই ৰিক্ত বুকুতে বাসনা ঢালিলা মোৰ তেজে তেজে শিৰে শিৰে বুৱালা প্ৰেমৰ অলকানন্দ চলি চলি চলি
Thank you, Shrutima, for your graceful performance. Medicine do help us to cope up with our physical health, but for mental, we need some entertainment. So, keeping this in mind, let's proceed to our next performance. Our next performer is Rituraj Saikia from B.Pharm 5th semester.
কেতিয়াবা বেজাৰতে টোপনি নাহিলে মোৰ কপালতে যেন সাজোৱা বোলাই কপালতে যেন সাজোৱা বোলাই কেতিয়াবা বেজাৰতে টোপনি নাহিলে মোৰ কপালতে যেন হাত জোৱা বোলাই কপালতে যেন হাত জোৱা বোলাই দেখো মোরিয়াই তুমি দেখো মোরিয়াই কান্দি কান্দি ভাগৰতে মৰমেৰে দিছিলা খুৱাই মৰমেৰে দিছিলা খুৱাই হয়তো আজি গাঁৱৰ বজাৰ হয়তো আজি গাঁৱৰ বজাৰ আশা বহি মোকে ধিয়াই গোসাঁই ঘৰত বন্তি জ্বলাই গোসাঁই ঘৰত বন্তি জ্বলাই কেতিয়াবা বেজাৰতে টোপনি নাহিলে মোৰ কপালতে যেন হাত জোৱা বোলাই কপালতে যেন হাত জোৱা বোলাই কপালতে যেন হাত জোৱা বোলাই
Thank you, Shrutima, for your graceful performance. Medicine do help us to cope up with our physical health, but for mental, we need some entertainment. So, keeping this in mind, let's proceed to our next performance. Our next performer is Rituraj Saikia from BPharm 5th semester.
Hello everyone, I am Prasuti Saharia from BPharm 3rd Sem, and today I am going to perform a dance for Pharmacy Day. So let's see my dance.
শুভ্ৰ বলাকাৰ দেউতাত সপোন ৰহন খলা দূৰণিৰ সাগৰ পাৰত বাজে বাঁহী মধুসনা
শুভ্ৰ বলাকাৰ দেউকাৰ সপোন ৰহন খনা দূৰণিৰ সাগৰ পাৰত বাজে বাঁহী মধুসনা
মৃদু মধুৰ ৰাগিনী জাগে বধ বিধি দুৰু দুৰু হিয়াৰ কপনি
সমীৰে বজাই বাঁহী মৃদু মধুৰ ৰাগিনী জাগে বন বিধি দুৰু দুৰু হিয়াৰ কপনি
সাগৰ নীলা চকুত সপোনৰে ৰহন খনা আজি মধু ক্ষণ মন জানো কিহতে মগন উতলা অধীৰ যৌৱন জাগে পুলকি হৰণ
আজি এই মধু ক্ষণ মন জাগে পুলক শিহৰণ মন যমুনাৰ পাৰতে বাজে বাঁহী মধুসনা শুভ্ৰ বলাকাৰ দেউকাৰ সপোন ৰহনখনা
দূৰণিৰ সাগৰ পাৰত বাজে বাঁহী মধুসনা
Thank you, Prasuti, for your amazing performance. Coming up with the next performance is by Aditya Saikia from B Farm 5th semester.
So happy Pharmacy Day to all of you, and today I'm going to play Momo Ke Dhage flute piece, so I hope you will enjoy. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya. That was really adoring. Although COVID-19 did not allow us to celebrate this day satisfactorily, but at least we have managed it through virtually, and with the presence of such beautiful entertainments and performance, this had made the program more enjoyable. Proceeding to our next program is by Kosturika of B Farm 3rd semester.
নমস্কাৰ মোৰ নাম কষ্টুৰিকা ভূঞা মই বি ফাৰ্ম 3rd চেমৰ পৰা এক আধুনিক নৃত্য পৰিৱেশন কৰিব ওলাইছোঁ ভুল হ'লে ক্ষমা কৰিব
Kasturika for your energetic performance. Now I would like to request Kuljit Kumar Das to grace the show.
Namaskar, my name is Kuljit Kumar Das and I am from B Farm 3rd semester and wish you happy Pharmacy Day. Thank you.
প্রকৃতি বন্ধু আমার গছ গছনি আমি কিয় কৰো ধ্বংস বিনষ্ট আমাৰ সৃষ্টি চাব লাগিব সঁচা দৃষ্টি আমাৰ এই সৃষ্টি এখনিয়ে মাথো সৃষ্টি অলপমান মন দে প্ৰকৃতিৰ ওপৰত অলপমান মন দে স্বাস্থ্যৰ ওপৰত কিমান কম মুখেৰে লাগিব লাগিল হাতে কামে প্লাষ্টিক বৰ্জন কৰ প্লাষ্টিক হল বিনষ্টকাৰী সৃষ্টি গছ ৰুই যতন লবি নহবি এলেহুৱা নকৰিবি উৎপাত প্ৰকৃতিৰ ওপৰত প্ৰকৃতিৰ কম উঠিলে হব সৰ্বনাশ চলাই আছে ধ্বংস লীলা আজি নাই শান্তি উকা উকা দিলা আমানো সময় কত ঠিক চাবলে আমানো মন কত ভাল কাম কৰিবলৈ গছ কাটি গছে তলত জিৰণি জীৱ জন্তুৱে পোৱা নাই স্থান জীৱ জন্তুক হত্যা কৰি গৈছো আমি মহান বিলুপ্ত হৈছে কিমান যে প্ৰজাতি আমি হৈছো নে সজাগী দেখিও নেদেখাৰ ভাও ধৰা আমি বৰ অন্ধ এয়াই নেকি কাণ্ড জীৱ শ্ৰেষ্ঠ আমি হয় নে সঁচাকৈ জীৱ শ্ৰেষ্ঠ হয় নে সঁচাকৈ জীৱ শ্ৰেষ্ঠ শ্ৰেষ্ঠ
Thank you Kuljit for your wonderful performance. Now proceeding to our next performance is a Manipuri dance by Emilia Devi of B Farm 7th semester.
तारी
Thank you Emilia. We have wholeheartedly enjoyed your dance. Now proceeding to our schedule of the program, we have another beautiful dance by Arnab Neelam Borua of B Farm 3rd semester.
যায় মায়াহানি তাই উভতি বারে বারে কয়ে যায় কানে কানে তাই হৃদয় ঠিকনা দি যাই তুমি আঁকা ফাগুনৰ দৰে মুখ পলখৰমেৰে তুমি ঢাকা ঘৰৰ দৰে নিয়ৰৰ চাদৰেৰে
Thank you, Arnab, for your soulful performance. With this, we have came to the end of our cultural program, and our next session is scientific session. For this, many of our students had participated in the poster making competition. We are really amazed with the efforts and outcome of their work. Here, I would like to showcase some of our posters made by them. All the posters were beautifully portrayed, and it will be a tough task to choose the best. But I request our Dean Sir to announce the winners of the poster making competition.
During the celebration of World Pharmacists Day 2021, one poster presentation competition also has been conducted among the students of Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Assam Downtown University, and as many as 24 students have participated in the competition. Now, let me announce the winner's name of the poster presentation competition. The student who has secured the third position is Sapna Devi from B.Pharm 5th semester. The second position secured by Deepam Jyoti Saikia of B.Pharm 3rd semester, and the winner is Parvez Alam Barbhuya from M.Pharm 3rd semester. I express my heartiest congratulations to all the students who have participated in the poster presentation competition, and special congratulations to the winners. Thank you.
With this, we have came to the end of our program. I hope we have successfully conveyed the motive behind the celebration of World Pharmacist Day. Lastly, I would like to thank Dean Sir, Vice Chancellor Sir and Dean of Studies Ma'am for your inspirational words. Thank you for all the performers who had added soul to this event. We had thoroughly enjoyed each and every performance. Thank you for being with us and making this event a successful one, and also for lightening up this event. With this, I would like to end our event here. Thank you.